In this series of videos, we will walk you through the process of setting up and maintaining your inventory information in AQ SKU. Before you begin, you'll want to make sure you have downloaded the AQ SKU application to your desktop. If you don't have this, call AutoQuote's customer support at 866-452-8324 or email us at support@aqnet.com. Now, to set up AQ SKU, you should be comfortable working with your inventory management system and have a basic understanding of electronic spreadsheets. Setting up AQ SKU consists of mapping the information from your inventory management system by identifying the information contained in each column of a CSV spreadsheet. If you need help with this, contact your AQ administrator. First, export a CSV spreadsheet file from your inventory management system. Now, open the AQ SKU application to begin setup. The application should open in the Import CSV tab. If it opens instead in the My Inventory tab, click on the Import CSV tab so that you'll be in the correct location for validation. From here, look in the lower left corner of the screen to be sure there are no red validation flags. If no flags are visible, AQ SKU is already set up. To review how to upload information into AQ SKU, please watch the video Importing Your CSV File. If flags appear, you'll need to map columns to clear the flags. Complete instructions for mapping are included later in this video series. If you are familiar with importing CSV files, please skip to the mapping videos in the series.